Looking for a 2-bedroom complete type condo in Antipolo, Rizal? Flood-free, tahimik, may free parking spaces at pasok pa sa Pag-ibig financing? This is it! The ideal condo you've been looking for is all here at Midori Terraces. Ito ang Midori, a classic low-rise condominium product ng Axia Development Corporation. First launched in 2017, ang 3-story condominium na ito ay patuloy na nag-e-expand sa iba't ibang projects located in Rizal and Batangas. Karamihan sa mga developments ay nasa Rizal, at bawat project ay binubuo ng single-detached at cluster Midori buildings with free parking spaces. Strategically located din ang mga ito within nature, kaya ramdam mo ang peaceful at staycation feels everyday. Siyempre, kumpleto rin sa amenities para sa mga residents. Dahil sa patuloy na pagtangkilik sa Midori, tuloy-tuloy din ang development ng more projects in different locations. Ang maganda kay Midori, hindi siya high-rise, so less crowded, more peaceful, at mas homey ang vibe. Tara, pasukin natin ang sample turnover unit. Sa gitna ng building ay may stairway na nagbibigay access sa 3 levels. Bawat floor ay may 2 units lamang, kaya mas private. Ito ang facade ng isang condo unit. With a covered terrace just outside the main door, perfect spot to unwind, enjoy the view, or catch up with neighbors. Ang main door ay gawa sa steel, kaya siguradong matibay. Ang total floor area ng unit ay 50 square meters. Pagpasok mo, bubungad ang 19 square meter space for living, dining, and kitchen area. Concrete din ang wall partitions, kaya solid ang structure. May malalaking sliding windows din, kaya well-ventilated at puno ng natural light ang unit. Ito naman ang kitchen area, complete with built-in granite countertop, sink, at kitchen cabinets. Dito naman tayo sa spacious toilet and bath with 4 square meters floor area. Ito ang bedrooms, both with large windows para sa magandang airflow. Ang bedroom 1 ay 10 square meters, habang ang bedroom 2 ay 8.5 square meters. From the kitchen area, may service door leading to a covered patio with 8.5 square meters floor area. Kapag end unit, 2 ang openings. Kapag inner unit, 1 lang. Perfect ang space na ito for service area, kitchen extension, indoor garden, cozy balcony, at iba pa. Napaka-flexible ng area na ito. Talagang dagdag charm at functionality sa unit. O diba? Napakaganda talaga ng Midori. Because of its strategic locations and affordable pricing, mataas ang potential for value appreciation. So whether titirhan mo or ipaparent, panalo ka. If you're planning to invest in a condo na practical, accessible, at future-ready, Midori is definitely worth considering. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Inquire now!